Yeah, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through an easy step-by-step guide on how to send money from TD Bank to RBC Royal Bank. Make sure you watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistake, and also hit the subscribe button because it actually helps me out. So to get started with the easy process on how to send money from TD to RBC Bank. So the first thing to do is to open the TD mobile app or go to the website, then log in with your username and password. And once that is done, the next step is to access the interact key transfer. So to do this, tap the menu in the menu tab, tap on transfer, then choose send money under the interact key transfer. Then from there you have to tap on add new recipient. So enter your your name and the email or the phone number connected to your RBC account. Then choose a security questions and answer unless your RBC account has an automatic deposit enabled. Then once that is done, you have to select the TD account to send from. Then choose the RBC recipient yourself, then enter the amount, which is optional. You can also add a message to the transfer. Then once that is done, double check all details and tap on send. And that's how you can simply send money from TD Bank to RBC Royal. Find the video helpful, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more.